And once you submit the serial number on Apple's official website, you'll instantly see the full details of your charger, including its authenticity and product information. This confirms whether your Apple charger is genuine and gives you peace of mind. To check authenticity, visit the official support page of Apple and enter your charger's serial number in the required field. After entering the serial number, tap on Submit, and the system will display all available details related to your product. Now, if you're wondering where to find the serial number itself, there are a few easy options. If you still have the original packaging, look closely at the barcode label on the box, where the serial number is usually printed. You can also check the original purchase receipt or invoice, as the serial number is often mentioned there. If needed, Apple's official support page also provides detailed guidance on how to locate serial numbers for different products. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we discussed how to check your Apple Charger serial number in simple ways. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more easy and reliable tech guides. Thanks for watching.